Sharpen any knife like a razor in just 1 minute with just an old battery. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Did you know that with just an old battery and a little toothpaste, you can turn a dull knife into a razor-sharp blade in just 1 minute? It sounds unbelievable, but it's completely true. In the kitchen, a knife is an indispensable assistant. There is a saying, even a talented chef cannot cook well without a good knife. When the knife is dull, cooking becomes time-consuming, frustrating, and reduces the quality of the dish. Have you ever struggled to cut a tomato but the juice splattered and the cut was crushed? I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Just apply the little tip in this video. Everything will change. Discover the super simple secret to restore knife sharpness in a snap. Effective, economical, and extremely easy to do. First, take some toothpaste. Any kind will do. Open the cap and squeeze out a little. Apply a small amount to the edge of the kitchen knife blade. Then use a cotton swab to spread the toothpaste evenly over the entire blade. Toothpaste is a common daily cleaning product, but it has a surprising effect on sharpening knives. It contains tiny abrasive particles. Although very fine, these particles still have a certain amount of friction. When applied to a dull knife, these abrasive particles act as micro-sharpeners, gently removing small scratches and worn areas on the blade due to long-term use, without damaging the knife surface. It acts as a light polish and initial restorer, helps smooth the surface of the knife and prepare it for the next sharpening step. Next, prepare an old battery. Peel off the plastic cover. Don't underestimate this old battery. It is an extremely effective knife sharpening aid. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, use the metal case of the battery to sharpen the knife. Just sharpen in one direction at a steady pace. Keep the battery at an angle of about 20 degrees to the blade. During the sharpening process, the metal surface of the battery contacts the knife, helping to remove remaining debris and smooth out worn areas. Since the battery case is quite hard, it creates moderate friction when in contact with the blade. With continuous movement, the sharpness of the knife will gradually be restored. By polishing first with toothpaste, then fine-tuning with an old battery, the kitchen knife will regain its excellent sharpness, easy to use again, and ready to handle daily kitchen tasks such as cutting vegetables. Where are you from? Leave a comment to let me know. You only need to polish each side of the knife for 1 minute and you're done. The knife will be razor sharp. With regular use, kitchen knives often accumulate grease and develop stubborn stains or rust, but there is a simple and effective way to clean them to make them look like new. First, prepare a tray or box large enough to hold the entire knife. Make sure every part of the knife can be soaked in the cleaning solution. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire surface of the knife. Baking soda is a star in the cleaning world. It has excellent disinfecting properties and can easily break down and remove grease from the blade. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire surface of the knife. Baking soda is a star in the cleaning world. It has excellent disinfecting properties and can easily break down and remove grease from the blade. After 5 to 10 minutes, the solution has taken effect. Take a toothbrush. The bristles are soft but have a certain hardness. When scrubbing the knife, apply light pressure to increase friction. Use the brush to gently scrub both sides of the blade all the way to the edge. Don't miss any corners. Even if the knife is rusty, you can gradually remove it by scrubbing repeatedly with the brush. The knife will be shiny like new. After these simple cleaning steps, all grease and dirt on the knife will disappear, restoring its brightness and cleanliness. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, rinse the knife thoroughly with clean water. Wow! The kitchen knife is now shiny like a mirror. Water slides off the blade. Dry with a towel. And that's not all. After being polished thoroughly, the knife becomes extremely sharp. It can even cut a hair. Using a knife to cut tomatoes. The tomato slices are evenly and beautifully cut with each slice. No need to drag the knife back and forth like before. The tomato flesh is still fresh. Almost no tomato juice leaks out. Each slice retains the same amount of water inside. With just one smooth cut, the tomato slices fall neatly. What a visual feast! If you use this knife to cut paper, it is even easier, like a hot knife cutting butter. Just a light swipe, the paper is cut cleanly. The cut is smooth and neat. The effect is really impressive. Whether it is cooking or handling small tasks in life, this knife does it well. This method is extremely practical. Try it now. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like it. Please share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.